pandemic is not an excuse but a reason to rethink about general health and wellness. While the state of Meghalaya is doing all it can to battle with COVID-19, the state machinery is also keeping its eyes open and continuing the same healthcare programs as before. Thus, the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, in collaboration with Don Bosco College, Tura, organized the zonal level Red Ribbon Quiz competition on 10th November 2020 at Don Bosco College. Shri Ram Singh, IAS Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hills, Tura, graced the occasion with his presence. Speaking to the occasion, the Deputy Commissioner said that there is a stigma surrounding the person suffering from HIV or AIDS. HIV or AIDS is prevalent among young people, and this has impacted the career, family life and the psychology of the young people suffering from HIV or AIDS. He wished that the quiz program will help young people learn and become more aware of the disease. Shri Alexander Kharkongor, Assistant Director, IEC Meghalaya State AIDS Control Society, Shillong, highlighted on the purpose of organizing the zonal quiz competition. He said that the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, MACS, is roping in colleges and NGOs to join hands together to help youth be aware of HIV and AIDS. He also informed that the winners and the runner-up at the zonal level will represent Garo Hills Zone in a quiz program to be held at Shillong on 17th November. He added that the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, MACS, sole purpose is to keep young people live a fruitful and healthy life and be free from HIV and AIDS. At the quiz program, Don Bosco College, Tura, scored the highest points, followed by Phukan Memorial College, Dalu, and the winners of these two colleges shall represent the Garo Hills Zone at the state-level quiz competition at Shillong. The principal of Don Bosco College, Tura, Reverend Father Bivan Rodriguez Mukim, welcomed the gathering.